Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. We are going to check out the Disney World Beach Club Resort, which is actually a DVC resort, Disney Vacation Club. Let's go check it out. So, as you can see, I did a tour over here of the Boardwalk, which is off to the left side as you're coming out of Epcot. If you walk straight ahead, the way we're going, you're gonna come right to the Beach Club. So listen, you don't have to have, well, actually check it out while we're walking by, guys. As I ramble on, this is the Beach Club right here. We're already here. So the way you can kind of utilize hopping around to these resorts is by using the Disney transportation. You can use the Skyliner. If you're at Epcot, as long as you have a hopper and you get back in the park before it closes, if you're parked there, you can come out and walk right down and check it out. So today what we really want to do is check out Beaches and Cream. It's kind of like a little quick service restaurant over here at the Beach Club. Just kind of showing you guys, it's so cool. We started doing these resort hopping a few weeks ago and we've been just loving it. Over there is the Boardwalk, Disney's Boardwalk. We will drop a link in. We did a little walkthrough tour over there at the Boardwalk. Look at how awesome it is. Awesome. Actually, the Beach Club is connected also to Disney's Yacht Club, which I believe is right over there, is the Yacht Club. They are two separate resorts, though. They're just physically connected, but totally two separate resorts. But you could utilize and check out both of the things and activities they have going on if you stay at either one. Check out the cool map. So, as I was saying, I'm going to show you up here on the right, the Beach Club, right? Coming down, and then right here is the Yacht Club. But what we want to do is go to H, which is Beaches and Cream. Let's go on over now, guys. Listen, I was talking about resort hopping. You cannot go swimming. You can't bring a towel with you and decide you just want to go in the swimming pool. That is for guests only. Now, Disney does have no problem with you coming through if you want to buy some retail items, if you want to have a snack, if you want to just look around. They're very lenient with it. One other point I want to bring up, they probably will not allow you to park here without any kind of a dinner reservation. So if you try to come in through security, you'll probably be turned away that way most of the time. It's worth a shot if you want, but I don't think it will work. I like Roberta when we're going through. She has good descriptions. Roberta, what do you think of this? This is our first time here, actually. We've never been here.
It's
what do you think?
It looks like you really like here the beach.
Yeah, does it remind you a little bit of what? Up north a little bit, the way it's designed? A little bit.
It's cute.
It is, it's cool. Let's go inside. Let's just check it out, man. Heading in, guys. I always like to bring you through the door with me. Wow. This is nice in here, man. Look at that beautiful chandelier. Really love it. Oh, wow, look at these Easter eggs. These are awesome.
Look at that.
What we got there? Little Mermaid, correct?
Yeah.
That is wonderful. Let's just take a tour right around here, guys. Zootopia. Look at that. It's gorgeous, man. Look at all the little snacks underneath. This must be Moana, right, Roberta?
Yeah, looks like it, yes.
Really cool. We got Stitch right here. Awesome.
Sorry.
That's all good. And of course Mickey and Minnie. And then just some awesome decorations. These are beautiful. Look at this. Love it. And that's all made out of chocolate.
Hey.
Look at that. So cool, man. Those were worth it. See, I love going on adventures. Guys, take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you can. We're going to be doing a lot more resort tours. All right, guys, let's take a walk. Now, I will tell you, this is the second vlog I've done today. I'm not sure which order they're coming out, but this is our second vlog we made today. We were at Hollywood Studios earlier. I'm not sure if that vlog will be out before this one, but either way, check them both out because they're both awesome. Let's go check out the Beach Club Marketplace while we're here. I'm sure there'll be some cool merch as we're walking in. I always like checking out. I've noticed now, because we've come to a few resorts, they usually have a vacation club member area I know Roberta and Jake will give me a hand showing you guys some of this cool stuff.
Having deja vu.
Roberta, what do we got for these Vacation Club member mugs here? That one's pretty cool with Mickey. How much is that one?
39.
You know what was funny? I thought he was holding a bunch of money right there when I first looked, because Vacation Club is not cheap, right? And we got a nice coffee mug. Roberta, is that $16.99?
19.99.
19. See, I forgot my reading glasses, guys. Yeah, I'm almost 50, believe it or not. I know I look a lot younger. Thank you, everybody. Let's see what else they got here. Roberta, we have some Beach Club merchandise here. So the towel, guys, $30 for the towel. Pretty nice. I think this is pretty cool. It's got a little hood in the back. Let's see how much that one is, Roberta. Disney's Beach Club. That looks really nice. Love this. It's very, very soft.
Jake is over there on that side.
And Jake's checking the price.
37.
37. And it's got that nice little hood in the back. I really love that. That is really nice. Let's see what else. Roberta's got an ornament. Every day is Sunday, and then you flip it around. The Beach Club. And if you notice, put it back around, Roberta. $35. Wow. They're having a Sunday. Isn't that really cool? Jake? Wow, I just love resort hopping, man. It's so fun. We're really starting to enjoy this.
I really like this.
And they just have some regular general merchandise in here. Always good if you come in with the kids and you want a board game to play. A lot of stuff for kids here. This is pretty good. A lot of different toys. You know, when you go to Disney with a kid and you're on vacation, they're gonna want a toy. And of course, if you forgot your bathing suit or you want something like that, there you got it. So very convenient here in the marketplace. Looks like there's some quick snacks maybe over here. Let's go take a look at that. Yeah, it looks like they definitely have a little grab and go, guys. Not gonna get big into that, but they also, looks like they have different soups and sandwiches and stuff. Kinds of coffee service. Really cool, man, here at the Beach Club. Let's go out and check out some more stuff. I just found this place called the Solarium. Look at this, guys. This is cool. Let's just kind of walk through here. Take a look outside. I'm loving this. Look, you can just kind of hang out here if you wanted. Have a snack.
Yeah.
Really cool. Oh yeah, Roberta, you're right. Look at this. Really cool art. Like the old fashioned, right? I love this place, man. This is really nice. Oh, this art's cool. Look at Mickey. Guys, I gotta show you this. It's like a hidden Mickey in the cloud right there.
Yeah, that's cool.
So cool. Let's just keep walking. Let's see some more stuff, guys. What do you think so far of the Beach Club? Just like a sitting area here. Really cool. I see a gazebo or something out here. Let's go look at that. So, I'm really loving this place. And you can kind of just, I'll give you a little loop around. This is where you would pull in if you came in. That's where we were earlier looking at the Easter eggs, right in front of that area. All right. You guys had a little tour of the lobby, a little tour of some merch. Now I think it's time to go check out Beaches and Cream. We were walking back through and look what Roberta found. Another hidden Mickey.
Look at this
And
one.
look, if you were walking by, that's hard to see. Look at Jake, he's looking for
Look
more.
at this one.
Oh, Roberta found another one, guys.
There's another one.
Yeah, another one there.
Oh, wow, they're on the front of the cars. Look at that. That's so cool. Now, I'm not sure, I know a lot of the resorts, you can request to purchase prints of a lot of the artwork that's in the resort, so you can check into that as well. Guys, this is the Q code for Cape May. Go ahead, give that a scan. Cape May is a buffet style sit down. You will need reservations if you're going to Cape May, and it's right here. And I believe, oh look, I actually have the menu right here, guys. 5 to 9 for the dinner. You can pause that, take a look at it if you want. Or just download the Q code. You'll have more detail. I know I keep saying we're going to Beaches and Cream. I promise we're getting there, but a little look at Cape May there as we walk by. As you can see, they are, looks like they're serving themselves, which Disney has incorporated back again in their buffets. I think we're very close to Beaches and Cream. And here's the Beaches and Cream to-go window. We finally found it, guys. But before we get the ice cream, take a look at the pool area. So cool. No, there's a lot of umbrellas and stuff, but it is a huge pool. I mean, wow, they got a water slide way over there, and it comes all the way around to here and over on the other side. That is a huge resort pool. Wow. Guys, here comes Roberta with a banana split. And before I show you this banana split, I want to thank somebody for recommending this. Maureen from New Jersey, who I think is subscribed to Medling World since our Disney cruise vlogs. Maureen, thank you so much. Guys, check this out. Awesome. Maureen, we're gonna dig in. I want to apologize, we couldn't get the grilled cheese and tomato soup because it had no more room left inside. And just to let you know, at the to-go window, ice cream only. But we're gonna enjoy this and let you know how good it is. So we put some almonds on the side because I'm allergic to almonds. Not all peanuts, just almonds. And that looks like pineapple.
Yeah, on the side as well.
And guys, sorry we ate the cherries, but Jake, what do you think?
That's really
good.
Really good. I'm gonna try it right now, guys. Let's dig in. And you know what? I'm gonna honor this first bite.
Yeah.
Maureen, this bite's for you. As you said, Maureen, the ice cream is awesome. The whipped cream's really good. And of course, we're enjoying the beach club. Solid 9 out of 10. Okay, Roberta's going in for it, guys. Roberta, let Maureen know what you think about this. Oh, she's got a good bite. If you guys watch the vlogs, Roberta doesn't want me to show you guys her eating, but she's gonna let us know exactly what her rating is on this awesome banana split. Roberta, what do you got?
Well, for sure it's a 9.
9,
we
yes.
got 2 chocolates. You can mix and match the flavors.
Yes.
We got 2 chocolates and 1 butter pecan. So
Awesome.
good.
Very
And
good.
I put a little bit of everything. It's good. Thank you, Maureen.
So we just went for a little walk. Check this out. So here, you're at the yacht club. So I asked this awesome cast member right here. So right now we're at the yacht club. You walk right over here. See where the floor changes? Boom. Sorry, didn't mean to make you dizzy. Now we're back at the beach club. So as I was showing you guys the pool, let me explain. So the pool is shared. This pool is huge. So this side is kind of like the beach club. Then over there, like that little bridge you can see, goes way over and around. That's the yacht club side. And it's just one big, huge pool that's shared by both resorts. That is really neat. This pool here is probably the best pool I've seen at any of the resorts. Really nice. Everywhere I go here, there's something new. Look at this. Beach club makes sense. Beach. Nice Adirondack chairs, looking out. But you got to see the water slide here. Look at this thing. It's like an old shipwreck, right? And you climb up, you get in there, guys, slide all the way across over there, and then you end up over in the pool. That's got to be one of the coolest resort water slides I've seen, man. That is really, really cool. Jake, what do you think of that water slide? Would you love to try that?
Yeah.
Wow, that looks so awesome. So awesome. Wow, Roberta, Jake, what'd you think of that ice cream, man?
That was good.
That was good.
Jake's just like, look at, he's just loving it, man. He's just loving it. Roberta,
Yeah.
the ice cream was $11.50.
11 change, yeah.
That easily fed all 3 of us. Oh, and look, more things. Jake found a telescope.
Yes.
It's like everywhere you look in this resort, there's something cool. I love this resort, Roberta and Jake. I just absolutely love it, everybody. I just want to clarify how that beaches and cream work. We're a little confused by it. So they have that walk-up window where we got our banana split, okay? That is for ice cream only,
Yeah.
with the exception of the kitchen sink, which is $35, so it's loaded with all kinds of different ice cream. And it comes in like a kitchen sink.
Which you cannot keep it.
Roberta has said this to me several times today. You cannot keep the kitchen sink.
I want to keep it, that's why.
I know you do, especially for $35.
Yeah.
I love the name, the kitchen sink. So it's basically everything but the kitchen sink, right? So, and then to get inside, because it was busy today, there's a virtual queue that you join. You need to be on property on the resort if you do not have a reservation, but it is also available in the My Disney app as well, which I didn't realize. So I just wanted to clarify that. I was a little confused over there trying to figure it out, but we talked to the cast member. It was awesome.
Yeah, they didn't have for 3 people. They had it just for 1, and it still was
1 and 2.
Yeah, it was.
When you
quite
hit
already.
3, it went to like 100 and something minutes.
No, they didn't have it. It
Oh,
was
nothing.
ready. No.
So there you go.
Like, yeah.
But anyway, guys, we had a great time today. Thank you so much for hanging out with us here at Disney's Beach Club. Don't forget to subscribe because we have plenty more adventures on the way. And last but not least, first of all, thank you once again, Maureen, and see ya!